What's up, Bob fam? You got something to say, Milo? Say what's up, Bob fam? It's early in the morning. She don't want to say nothing.
She'll whisper.
What's up, Bob fam? Tell Mama called us this morning. Want us to come rescue her from a flat tire. So I'm about to go over here, change these tires. Got the GoPro, I'm gonna record it. And then we're gonna get some White Castle. Because that's where it is. Nah, we probably won't get no White Castle, boy. I'll be sitting on the toilet, man. Let's get to this tire change. See y'all in a minute. Early morning on a Thursday. Going up on a Thursday.
It's Wednesday.
Oh damn, it's Wednesday. I got my days mixed up. Damn, I was thinking it was Thursday for real.
Ready for the week to be over.
Ready for the week to be over. Woo-wee. Mama, see that bill right there? That's the jail. Ran up on the curb. Got to be more careful there.
Yeah, but that sun was in my eye.
Good old flat boy, you done busted that tire all the way open too.
Yeah.
Heck yeah, look at that. You got the other one flat too? Nah, that one cool. Rest don't look good, but that one right there got to come off right now.
Hey.
Alright, tire change. Got the donut on there.
Ex-Tamara said she gonna drive me home. She know I'm scared to drive.
That's like the regular tire. Nah, it ain't like the regular tire, but you scared to drive home?
Yeah.
Why? Why you scared to drive home?
I don't like driving on them donut tires.
I'm gonna have her come over here. Yeah, man, just got that done. You see I'm sweating. It's getting hot out here. But it's supposed to rain, man, so I don't know if the rain will cool it off or what. But normally when it rains, it get hotter. Got that done, man. Tim about to drive the car to the tire shop. I'm gonna follow her to the tire shop. Hopefully they got another tire for her, and then she can have it all worked out. Tim, mama, man. You dig? Gotta help Mom Deuce out. Oh shit! Yeah, poor man's getting tired. I don't know nothing about that poor man's. They got all the used tires, boy. What you say? they high though for a used tire. For this car anyway. They charging them $50 for a used tire. That's cheaper than the other guy with the 80 bucks for a new one. But I guess, I don't know, man. 80 bucks for a new tire. Then I really don't know if the damn thing is new. It's coming from a used tire wheel shop. I normally pay like 25 to 30 bucks. They want to charge you $50. Look at that gray hair. Poor man's, man. Right here on Emerson, on the east side, 34th Street. What y'all talking about?
Getting air. I said, I go to Goodyear Tire and they give me air for free. They charge me $1.
Yeah, they charge you $1 for some air. They charge you for everything. Air is free. Air for $1. I guess they say everybody else charging for air at all the gas stations and everybody charging for air. Why not?
So you gonna pay $1 a fare?
You gonna pay $1.50?
$1.50, yeah. Might let you eat your burger. You don't want it. No, I'm just kidding. This is the best tire place in the city, though. This place is, so for real.
Yeah, I think
so.
I told him we went to another spot. I said, why you ain't go to Port Man? Let's go up here.
He usually, he can sell you a used tire. It lasts a long time.
Yeah.
If you go up there at 34th and Sherman, you might get a month off of them tires or something.
And it's done.
They be on that shit. Selling
Yeah.
you some BS, you know?
Yeah.
You guys up here, they're sober as hell. Got a little baby back there, little feet.
Yeah. 4 weeks.
4 weeks. A little boy.
Little boy, right?
I can't wait. My daughter's getting ready to have my first grandchild. So
Oh,
I
yeah.
can't wait.
That's how my parents is. Stay first grandchild.
Yeah, she's married to an NFL player.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, they're having their first baby.
Heck yeah, that's what's up.
Yeah, it smell like that. I get to see it because his mom and dad live here. So he's in New Orleans, but his mom and dad lives here. So
Yeah.
when she has it, I'll get to see it.
Who is it? What's his name?
Courtney Roby.
Okay, Courtney Roby, having a little one.
Yeah, Crystal is my daughter.
Shout out to Courtney Roby. Crystal?
Yeah, that's my daughter.
Yeah.
They've been married a long time.
Heck yeah, congratulations.
Yes, thanks. Yeah, he played for IU, remember?
Yeah.
Then he was Tennessee Titan. Yeah.
Yep.
I got his flyers in the car. They opened up a business in Fishers where they train young men to be athletes.
What's the name of it?
Sparks.
I think
Sparks.
I think I know that because I got a cousin. He goes somewhere out there and it's like in a warehouse.
Yes, and they train
Yeah.
But
I think that's the same.
Cheap, though.
I think that's the same place.
Charge them $25 a week for a young man.
Cause didn't they have a class where they had a DJ in there?
Yeah. He does all that.
I'm a DJ myself. Here, you can give
Okay. Yeah, because we need DJs.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll be calling you then. We be having big parties. He does, and my daughter.
I think I know
Do you do any old school music like the 70s?
I do old school, I do the new stuff.
No, I ain't talking about white music, I'm black music.
Oh yeah.
You don't listen to white folks shit. I grew up in Brightwood. I've been here my whole life. I live up in
Yeah, I got you. I do all this stuff.
Okay, cool. I'm gonna give her a couple of these.
Alright.
Keep one because I have parties myself.
I make YouTube videos, so I'll be recording myself.
Yeah. Have you ever had a whole bunch of hits where they pay you the money?
What, on YouTube?
Yeah.
Not yet.
Yeah.
I'm trying to
You
get
know,
there.
What, 100,000? You get $500 or $5,000, something like that. Yeah.
I'm trying to get there. I ain't there yet.
Well, you got it on here, your site.
Yeah, well, that's just my DJ. Let me show you.
Because I can get I
I'll
can
show you.
get you them hits.
And that right
them
there,
followers.
that's an app too. You download the app, pick up my phone number and stuff right here.
Okay, I'll download your app then. Okay, and then
Yeah. I'm on social media and
because
stuff.
I'm on Cash App. I got Cash App too.
Heck yeah.
Because I'd send my other daughter money. She's going with Jamal Tinsley.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, she's gonna have a baby by him.
Oh, that's what's up. That's pretty
Rashawn.
dope.
That's Rashawn. If you get on his Facebook, you'll see her.
Yeah, that's pretty dope.
That's my other daughter.
That's dope. Y'all got it going on. They got it going on.
I'll get you some followers. Just
Yeah, it's my YouTube.
give you a chance to get home and start download this for me.
This is my YouTube. I'll show you YouTube.
Then I'll get you
Check
some
it out.
download. Then I'll get you some followers.
Hold on.
I could probably get you close to it.
My
Say just
YouTube
follow
is it's the Ball Fam.
It's
Oh shoot. It's the Ball Fam.
It's a Ball fam. Okay, I can
Yep.
remember that.
Yep.
That's your last name?
Ball, yep.
Yeah, I knew Miss Ball
So-
on 34th Street.
So my grandmother and all my dad's brothers and sisters, they grew up in Brightwood.
Yeah, that's what
The
I said.
Grundy
We used
family.
to deliver their paper up there.
Yep,
The
the-
Ball fam, Miss Ball. I
Miss
remember
Ball,
her.
she
Yeah.
real light skinned young
Yes.
lady. Yep, that's my
Yes.
grandmother. Yep.
Okay, yeah.
Yep.
let's go on 34th Street. Yeah,
Yep.
I remember.
All the Grundys.
If you ever, is she still alive?
Yeah, she
You
lived
see her, you tell her, you met her old paper lady.
the old paper
Miss
lady.
Black.
Miss
Tell her,
Black.
yeah, she'll remember me.
Okay. All right now.
I'll see you later.
Miss Black is off the hood. She said she wants some old school, not the white music. She want the black music. About to hit that dog. Get out the street, boy. Damn street. About to get his ass hit. That nigga dog all in the street. About to get hit.